Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the meeting of Board of Directors at Orion Industries. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of the organization. To give you more detail about why we named it as Orion, the reason is that it is in the Greek mythology. Orion was a great hunter who received his indefinite power from his belt. And it is believed that the belt was seen even in the skies, as you can see in the presentation, the three lights that represent a source of power, energy to him. We wish to provide the same source of power to you. As you move, you become more accessible and stay connected to the world. As discussed by my colleagues earlier to you, that we've made a prototype of the product that's a battery charger, phone charger with paper thin batteries. The specification of our product is as follows. We would be using a few batteries in the belt to provide you with charge. The batteries would be 3.7 volts. The product would come with connecting cables to charge on your phone. And since it's a very elite product, we are providing it in a full grain leather with export craftsmanship. The belt would also represent how much battery does it have right now with the number of stars that you would have on the buckles. It's a sleek and fashionable look to complement your dressing sense. Going forward, these are expectations from the market. During the first year, we are predicting that the early adopters would accept our product. And due to the uniqueness of the product, we are expecting some steep sales initially. During the second year, due to the critical mass of consumers, we are expecting the product to gain momentum and gain more sales. However, finally, when the product matures, we are expecting the slope to go flat. In order to reach our goal, we have laid down the marketing plan for the product. Our target market is generally the business class travelers, for which we're making the elite product, and other smartphone users. We have predicted that the entire industry is about $2.5 billion because it's a merger of leather belts and portable battery chargers. So it's a blue ocean space that has not been utilized, that is a mix of fashion as well as utility in the industry. To target our customers specifically, we have divided our product range in two segments. First is the Orion Elegance. This is related. This is for the business class travelers, and specifically, it would be an elite product with very high quality leather being used in it, and it would be a very elegant looking belt, something like that you can see in the picture right now. And it would be priced a little higher at $130, to be precise, $129.99. And however, the casual belt would be for students and for designers and people who have a louder sense of fashion, and it would be a little cheaper belt at $89.99. These are the two brands that we would be using to market our product. In order to create more awareness about our product, we would be following these three steps. First is the viral marketing campaign. We would be using social media, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, to create more awareness about our product, get likes from people, and appreciate their acceptance. And during the growth of our product, we would have celebrity endorsements just to get it accepted as a fashion brand, as well as the way it is more utility focused as well. We would also want to get highlighted in the tech magazines because we are creating a new industry altogether of fashion clothing with utility. Our strategic partners would be SkyMall and Brookstone, because this is basically a product for travelers. We are targeting very specific people, and we wish to go for our on-flight sales. We would connect with SkyMall so that while you're flying and you require the need of power, you can easily buy your product. There are airport tech vending machines on airports where you can just select the product, swipe your card, and collect the belt. This is a very easy product to use. You just put it on your waist and you're ready to charge your phone. And thirdly, we would be connecting with retail stores such as Apple Store or maybe Best Buy, and to sell our product at distinct locations. So please stay tuned with us for our return of investments and financial model of the organization. We request you for your support and product. Thank you.